Hello and welcome again to my channel. In my last video, I done a review on vlogging kit, and in that video I mentioned that the ball head were a little disappointing because this screw doesn't really bite into the swivel ball, and as a result it doesn't hold the camera in position. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this ball head camera mount. Before we move on, please hit subscribe and make sure hit the like button. Okay, first of all, we need to remove this Allen head screw. We need to remove the screw. Alright, so you can see the fault here. So this edge needs to be removed because when you screw this in here, I don't know if you can see or not. So yeah, when you screw in here, it meant to bite against this ball and push the ball up against here. So that way it's tight and it's held in position. So what we got to do is I'm gonna remove this and make it. I'm gonna remove this section here where it is straight and make it flash with this transition. So all we need is a bolt and 2 nuts to suit the bolt. So this is what we're gonna do. Put another nut on this side. Make sure it's tight. Okay, and then get your drill. So I don't have a lathe machine, so I'm using my drill. Okay, if you got a lathe machine, you can put it through a lathe. But yeah, I'm just going to use my drill and put a file and remove this edge. I'll show you after I've done. So I'm just trying to flat this sharp edge so it's flush with this end. So this is what I've been doing. I've been gradually removing that sharp end. So I don't have the right tools. So if you got a proper file or larger file, you can obviously make the job a lot quicker, and then just finish it off with a sandpaper. Okay, as you can see, I've removed the edge. So make sure use a sandpaper so it's smooth. We don't want to leave any rough edge. So let's try assemble this. So make sure it sits, the screw sits in the hole, so you can feel that by turning this bottom bit. So that's in. Alright, so it definitely works. Don't forget to put this grab screw in. So yeah, it definitely works. So give it a go, and all the best. See you again on my next video.